All right, what's up, everybody? Bryce here from the Crypto 101 podcast, author of Crypto Revolution, coming at you guys today with yet another quick market update. And yesterday saw the successful hard fork or upgrade to the Ethereum network. As you guys know, Ethereum is the second largest by market cap, second largest cryptocurrency. And what this sort of upgrade did was it actually made the Ethereum coin deflationary. So what does it mean now that Ethereum is deflationary? And more importantly, why should you care? Well, it actually turns the asset more scarce. The more scarce, the more valuable. Everybody says inflation of the US dollar is bad because you're printing more and more money, so it makes it less valuable. Well, on the opposite end, deflationary is actually, there's more Ethereum that are getting burned than there are getting minted. So you actually have a deflationary system, which makes that medium of exchange, have a higher purchasing power. And I really think that what's going on in the Ethereum ecosystem is extremely, extremely interesting, because now that there is this upgrade that happened, I think a lot of people were kind of like a little skeptical of if it was going to happen successfully, if there was going to be a technical glitch along the way, as there have in the past. So I think the market largely was like selling off leading into this upgrade because they were a little bit scared to hold on to the risk leading into it. And as you've noticed, in the past couple days, Ethereum has been skyrocketing. And I think that's largely in part because of this successful network and software upgrade. People realized, wow, okay, the network upgraded successfully. It's going as planned. Let's jump back in the trade now that, any potential, bad thing that could have happened, it's that risk has been cleared, essentially. So I think that it's a very, it's done something very important to the psychological shift here of the market. Now, besides the massively positive price action that we're seeing in Ethereum and in a lot of the altcoins and even Bitcoin, right? Today it broke above $42,000 per coin. Kind of on the flip side of that, we are seeing a little bit of uncertainty from the regulatory camp with this infrastructure bill that's being proposed and being hotly debated right now. There's new amendments that are being debated and voted on over the weekend about cryptocurrencies and how non-custodial wallets and non-custodial exchanges will be able to, facilitate transactions on behalf of their customers and all sorts of stuff. So we'll keep you posted on how that's going to shake out. But long story short, again, crypto is bigger than any one government. If there's a regulatory burden on American companies, right? Crypto companies will go elsewhere. And what this really, first off, rushed sort of regulation and uneducated sort of regulation that's being proposed, what it's going to do is force innovation offshore to more friendly jurisdictions that have kind of a better grasp on what it means to have a non-custodial, peer-to-peer, decentralized monetary network. And that does threaten the Senator Warrens of the world and the Treasury, right, who are really kind of pushing Congress and pushing Senate to have extremely, extremely strict reporting requirements for these non-custodial wallets and exchanges and stuff. And even the miners. So it's kind of a mess, but I think we're going to come out better than ever, right? Once all of this is sort of behind us, crypto will still survive. Crypto will live on. It's a global movement. So, one Congress or one congressional hearing is not going to kill crypto. Trust me, right? It's going to just make it stronger. What doesn't kill you, make it stronger. And crypto really is like a hydra, right? People always say, well, Bryce, what if this government shuts it down? What if that government shuts it down? Well, you saw what happened in China, right? China's arguably a larger, or just as large of a powerhouse in the global economy as America, and they more or less banned crypto essentially from China. They banned Bitcoin mining, which is the largest aspect of the economy for crypto, and they completely banned it. And what you saw, of course, crypto prices took a tumble, but we've recovered since then. And so I think a lot of the selling that has already happened due to China banning it, a lot of the selling's already occurred, and it's gone into the hands of really strong investors, people that are really, highly convicted believers in a global monetary network, and that, regardless of if one government or two or three or four governments start to crack down, it's not going to kill it. And what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And so I think that there's an overwhelming amount of good news. Like I said, again, with Ethereum being deflationary now, meaning there's more coins that are taken out of circulation than there are, and, removed from the float than there are added to the float, which is awesome because it's like reverse dilution. So all of that sort of stuff is fantastic in order to preserve your purchasing power over time, right? It's a lot better than holding, US dollars in the savings account that are, getting negative real return, negative real yields. I think the world is in a really interesting spot right now, but the best way, in my opinion, to preserve your wealth and to get ahead in this world is obviously through cryptocurrencies, through a global monetary system, through a brand new technology that's really taken the world by storm. So that's the market update for today. Stay strong, Crypt Nation, and happy trading. And for those of you guys who aren't already plugged into an awesome community of traders and investors, who, if maybe you're looking for buy zones and sell zones and weekly actionable insights and trade alerts and breaking news, well, guys, we've got the solution for you. Click that orange button below, and for $1, you can sign up for $1, and you'll get a 2-week trial, and you can come and see what it's all about. And again, we have buy zones and sell zones on the Crypt Nation model portfolio. We've got weekly picks. So come check it out and let us know what you think.